Namaste everyone. In today's video, I wanted to share with you how to manifest exactly what you want in your life. My name is Pria. I'm very passionate about sharing positivity and empowering others to live their life to their fullest. We're all creators. We have the capability to create a life the way we want. So let's make it beautiful together. Let's dive in. So there's so many law of attraction techniques, so many manifestation techniques that people use and people know about, but how many of you actually apply all those techniques in your life? There are some techniques that you can use immediately to really start practicing to better your vessel, to build yourself, to attract what you want in your life. The first thing is focus. And focus involves not just what you want in your life, but exactly what you want. It's not just like, oh, I want a job, or I want a good relationship, or I want this, whatever material you want in your life, or I want to be able to travel. But it's when you're focusing on that, a lot of people make that mistake of just wishing for what they want and feel like that's their law of attraction. But you need to focus on every aspects, every little detail of that manifestation. So when you want something, don't just focus on that one thing. Focus on every aspect of your life, including health, relationships, wealth, the purpose. Purpose is very important because you can have everything, but sometimes when you have everything and it doesn't serve your purpose, you might still not enjoy it. And I'm pretty sure you have that experience where you feel like you were wanting something and you were chasing after something your whole life. And then when you actually have it, you felt happy at the beginning, but then later you lost that excitement. Because if it's not purposeful for you, then it wouldn't serve you better. So the number one thing is really focus on what you want in your life and focus on all these pillars that I mentioned and see if it all aligns together. So let's say you want a job. You don't just wish for, oh, I want to become this. You want a good environment to work in. You want a great salary for what you're working for, because you might get it, but you might not get paid, and then paid enough, and that might bring you down. So instead of wishing for just a job, you ask for a good environment, good people, good relationship, good boss, and good people to work with. And then you ask for the salary, and then you ask for good health and good mental health as well. Focus on those things so you're not stressed in the job. So you focus on all these aspects and visualize how that will look like for you, and then you ask for that manifestations. Because without having that little details how it affects you, it will actually, even if you get what you wanted, it might not satisfy you at the end of the day if it's not holding all these 4 pillars that I mentioned. So focus on, first, know what you want. You need to be clear about that. Be clear about your vision. So when you know exactly what you want, and when you know it's aligning with the purpose and it's meaningful for you, then you ask for, I also want the rest of the things, like, a good environment, good relationship, and good money that comes with it. And this is just an example for a job that I'm telling you, but even for any other examples that you want in your life, you want to make sure, let's say even if it's traveling, you want to make sure you have enough money for traveling. You want to make sure you go to a safe environment, and you want to make sure you have good people around you all the time. So these are things that you don't just ask for the one thing, but everything that's surrounding that will make you happy when you actually get it. So be clear about what you want. And then the second thing, once you're clear about what you want in all aspects, the second thing is building your vessel. Because you might want everything, but one thing you need to remember is the universe will only give you what you're capable of holding. And that's including struggles. And this is weird that I'm saying this, because just yesterday my neighbor was saying this randomly, and it resonated with me, because he was saying that, the challenges you're facing, the universe is giving you because it knows you are capable of handling it. You're capable of handling all this. And then all of a sudden, I felt like I'm a strong person, because just hearing that from someone that doesn't really know me, I just heard it from him, and I was like, that means I am a strong person. That's why I'm getting all these challenges. So just like that, manifestation works the same way. Any great things that are coming your way, universe will only give you if you're capable of handling it. So let's say you want something really big, but you don't have the vessel, you don't have the capacity to manage it, you won't get it. So the things that you can start doing is really building yourself. And that's, you can do that physically, spiritually, by meditation, by yoga, and really creating that environment for you to get that manifestation. It's almost like, you know, how people say you have to dress according to how you want your next job to be. So if you're leveling up, dress according to that, so you already feel like you can manage that, right? It's like seeing the visual, and it's just, it works the same way in your environment. If you want something bigger in your life, make sure you leave space for that in your current situation, current environment, and live it that way. So that way, when it comes, you're ready for it and you have the capacity to manage it. So that's building yourself, and doing yoga and meditations and breathing techniques also cleanses any stuck energy, stuck emotions within yourself. And once you start clearing that out, there's more room for positivity in your life and more things will come your way. And the last thing is being open to receiving. A lot of us, you know, chase after what we want, but then there's always that something like the fear within us that's holding us back. So being open, if you're not open, you won't know that there's an opportunity coming your way. So be open, be courageous, and be open to getting out of your box to get that new stuff that's coming your way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please click the like button, share this video with others. And also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification button, as I'm very determined to creating weekly videos for you guys to empower you to live the best version of you. Until then, namaste.